Hey y'all, the garbage truck is now here. Took me a little while. See what truck it is. Ooh. Let's see. See it? It feels. Think it's 2011. Oh, it's trash. Right. Alright, guys, I don't know what it is. I don't know. Again? Dude, it's the same truck. Let me ask that. Trash truck is first. Trash first. Mom, ya vendió la troca de la basura. Es basura, no reciclaje. ¿La basura? Sí. Ahorita no, está al otro lado. So I told my mom that the garbage truck is coming. I didn't even freaking know it was freaking trash. Oh my god, guys, every time it's just, dude, that's kind of like a mixed thing because, yeah, last time it did the same thing. But I don't know how it's the same truck. 2011, the same truck. Oh my gosh. That is evil. Kind of cool at the same time. Kind of cool. And this truck is still out. I think the garbage man will fix the problem, move the trash can. Or will that truck move? What? Dude, why did it block? I didn't know of how this truck will block the garbage cans. That's weird. I don't know. At least this truck is here. I don't know. To give us company. But the garbage truck will come next. That's even more matters. Don't even count me wrong. It's the same truck as the same time. Bruh. Jacob Murray didn't even come because he is going to his grandma's or his aunt's. Alright, so it's gonna be the same truck. It's gonna be the same one. Dude, it's gonna be the freaking same one. Dude, I'm literally gonna cry. Dude, it just, dude. The trash truck just came in the morning, and now it does it again. Rehees. Is this truck gonna move or what? Garbage truck is coming, though. That's a surprising thing, guys. You know. Yes. Tilapia? So yeah. it's gonna come. Oh, there it is. Let's go! Now it's time. Yeah, let's go, boys. Let's go. I think his trash is full. There it is. Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah. There it is. Yes. Yes, sir, dude. And he's not gonna realize there's a garbage can there because I think he missed it. Okay. Oh yeah. Es porque la troca estaba al lado. Alright. I think it's gonna see it though. Oh, estaba lleno. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yes. Yes, sir. Come on. There it goes. There. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go! Thank you. Wow. Really nice garbage man, guys. I was there honking the horn, having fun. Alright, let's go. Alright, turn around. I've entered into the garbage truck dimension. That was fun. I get to go in the garbage truck world. That is pretty exciting. Not gonna mind. Sir. Having a nice day today. Wow. This guy's awesome. Shout out to this guy for making me hang the horn. That's my second favorite truck. But 1863, still my first favorite. Woo. Oh yeah, he's gonna pick up the can. Alright, wait, he's just gonna keep going, keep it up. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. He's gonna keep that, he was gonna pick it up. Because that truck is in the way, and he's gonna take the U-turn fast and fast moves. Oh, yeah. That's some motion sickness. Not gonna... There we go. Taking off. Taking off. And then he's gonna...
Mira, 2011, cuando naciste tú.
Sí. Eso porque es mi favorita. Of course, this was fun, and you guys get to see me honk the horn now. Yes, let's go. We got another one. So it was my turn, and then him next. Oh my gosh! Wow! There he off goes into the summer. Wow! Whew. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next dimension. See ya.